Okay, hello everyone. Good day. So I am here now to share with you what's my solution to solve the problem number two. So before we create an algorithm, so we have to understand or analyze the problem state by state, as what I've said on the previous video. So now let's read and understand the situation of the problem. Okay? So the problem is this. Create an algorithm to determine the winner of the three candidates based on the overall score. So that's the first state of problem. So ato analyzon dapat naatay three candidates nga variable. So, based sa problem, ang imo na ana is ang expected nga output o ang variables nga imong panggamiton. Okay? So, create an algorithm to determine the winner of the three candidates. So, meaning naantay three candidates that can be used or we can use a variable for the three candidates. Okay? Based on the overall score result. So meaning, each candidate has their own overall score to declare a winner. Okay? So meaning, nanatay variable for the candidates, three candidates, and variable for overall score each candidate. So pila na? Unom. Okay? Then, overall score was composed of three criteria. So meaning, gibuak-buak pa din ng overall score to get the result. Okay? So, each overall score have or composed of three criteria. Okay? So, the audience impact, the talent, and Q&A score. So, these three criteria is the result or the overall score result. So, meaning, isum up siya and then makuha nimo ang overall score result. So, based sa three criteria. Okay? So, these three criteria should input to each candidate together with their names to identify the name of the winner. So, pila nakabuk variable? So, nanatay candidate, tulo kabuk candidate, tulo. And then, overall score each candidate. So, tulo gihapon. And then, criteria, three criteria to compose a overall score is composed of three criteria. So, meaning, each overall score has a three criteria. So, pila naman nakabuk? Upat. Upat-upat. So, overall score. Then, katong three criteria, upat. Then, each candidate, so pila na? So, 4 times 3 is 12. So, 12. 12 na siya daan. And then, together with their names. So, meaning, ang atong candidate, naa siya names. So, mo na lang ito yung atong inputan sa candidate. Natay candidate, so mo ito iyang names. Ato input ato. And then, the last state of the problem is the smallest overall score will be the winner. So, meaning, ato i-compare ang tulo ka overall score to declare a winner. So, kinsay pinakagamay, mo ito'y daog. Okay? Now, let's start. So, imaniha, pila ka book variable atong gamiton or pila ka book unsay atong ipang input. So, mo na first na tong buhaton. So, first is unsay atong ipang input, unsay gipang kinahanglan sa atong problem to solve the overall score, and then atong ma-compare ang overall score og kinsay winner. Okay? So, let's start with step 1. Step 1, start. Step 2. Step 2 is input. So, natay tulo ka candidate. So, input taog candidate 1. Step 3, input candidate 2. Step 4, input candidate 3. And then, naatay overall score result, di ba? So, mao na atong butanganan sa sum or sa total sa input sa i-input nato nga tulo ka criteria. So unsa man to nga mga criteria? Okay? So needed ba nga mo input tag overall score result? So dili, useless ra. Kay bisan pag mag-input ka and then igabot sa atong operation or sa katong sum up nato. Let's say for example, mag-input ko og overall result 1. So, if mag-input ko anag 300, bata na to, ang iyang score is 95. Okay? And then, pag abot ana din ni sa iyang next step, then kuan gihapon siya compute. So, result 1 equals, bata na to, criteria plus talent plus sa tilain. So, Q&A. So, whatever the result of this is isod gihapon sa overall result 1. So, meaning, useless na ni. Di ba? Useless. Kay masapawan gihapon siya. So, no need i-input si overall result. Instead, ang atong input ang katong tulo ka criteria each candidate. Okay? So, first, atong sudlan ang criteria sa candidate number 1. Okay, so input. So, to make it short, C1. C1, then the talent or agent's impact. So, first, EI, which is impact. Okay? Then, next is step 6. Input C1 for talent. So, TAL. So, step 7. So, input candidate 1, Q, and A. Diba? Sabotable ra. Meaningful ra ang tong variable. So, okay ra. If ako'y mag-code, kasabot na ko C1, C1 EI. So, audience impact. So, it depends sa gitason sa imong program. So, if gusto jud kag imo jung i-detailed ang imong variable, pwede ra sad. So, let's say for example, C1 audience impact. Imo ra isumpay. Pwede ra gihapon. So, nga ako is kanilang. So, dili am kayo taas ang akong algorithm, dali ra ko makasubay. Pero once gani ang inyong algorithm is taas na kaayo, then maglisod na mog trace nga unsay gamit aning C1 tal. Unsa ning tal, di ba? So much better if is meaningful na jud ang inyong variable nga gamiton. So C1 talent, C1 Q, and so Q, then and A. So sabot ra, di ba? Okay? So next, after sa candidate number 1, so we have to input also for the criteria of candidate 2. So step 8, input C2 EI. Next, step 9, input C2 talent. Okay? Step 10, so input candidate 2 QA. Okay. Manata sa candidate 2. So next is for the candidate number 3. So step 11, input C3 EI, which is audience impact. Step 12, input C3 for the talent. Total. Step 13. So, nakabantay mo. Atong steps taas na kayo kay daghan kay tag i-input. Okay? Next is input C3, Q, and A. Na-input na nato ang mga required nga variable or required nga gipangita sa atong problem. Now, is how to get the overall score. Okay? So, next is to input the overall score. So, wala lagi kay name, sir. So, ang name is same ra sa candidate. So, mag-redundant naman if mag-input kog candidate, then mag-input sa kog name. So, ang atong candidate, mao na lang na ang names. Unsay pangan sa candidate. Okay? So, candidate or names is parihara. So, di ba? Kay what if unsa day what if mingon kog candidate, unsay sudlan sa tong candidate? Either number, letter. So, much better og name. So, pwede sa input name 1, input name 2, or input name 3. Or, pwede sa input candidate 1, input candidate 2, input candidate 3. Okay? So, step 14 is to get the overall result on each candidate. Okay? So, step 14. So, overall score. So, C1, which is candidate 1, over lang. C1 all. Overall. So, mas meaningful ang overall. Equals C1 EI plus C1 tal plus C1 QA. Okay? So, next is ang overall sa C2. So, pwede rata nagkapihon. Copy, paste, then, dito na ito 15, C2, and then C2, C2, C2. Okay? Next is step 16 for C3. C3. So, ito lang kapihon para dali. So, copy. Then, listen na ito. C3. 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 And C3. So, nanatay overall score each candidate. Okay? Now, what will be the next? So, this criteria should input to each candidate. So, this criteria, monitoring criteria. And then, together with their names. So, ang names nako is kaning candidate. So, muna akong names. To identify the name of the winner. So, meaning, ang ato ding output ani o ato ding result ani is the name. So, dili ang score. Okay, to identify the name man. So, mo nang needed ang names para ma-identify na to og kinsay pangan sa nakadaog. So, dili score ang atong output. You get it? So, now, unsaon pag-declare sa winner? So, sa next is, the smallest overall score will be the winner. So, meaning, ang katong pinakagamay score, maoy kadaog. So, step 17. So, ato i-compare og kinsay pinakagamay nga score. Okay? So, F C1 overall is lesser than C2 overall and C1 overall is lesser than C3 overall. Okay? If gamay si overall ni C2 kani dito and mas gamay si C1 kay ni C3, then sa iyo ito ibutang. So we have to put name, or can be a name is equal to candidate 1. Candidate 1, sorry. Candidate 1. Sir, wala lagi na double quote. Okay. Good question. So, ato ni i-try inig butang nato og variable. Value. Okay? So, next. Step 18. So, if C2 overall is lesser than C1 overall, and C2 overall is lesser than C3 overall. So, overall. So, unay mataning variable da. Overall. Then, name is equal to candidate 2. Okay? Next. Step 19. So, if C3 overall is lesser than C1 overall and C3 overall is lesser than C2 overall, then name is equal to candidate 3. Okay. Next is step 20. So, once na-compare na nimo tanan, then i-print na nimo ang winner. O kinsay winner. So, pwede sag name or utan na to winner. Winner. So, natay variable nga winner. So, mas kuan siya mas meaningful. Winner. So, winner. Okay. Then, step 20 is print winner. And then, step 21 is the end of our algorithm. So, let's try to put an value. Okay? Let's try to put a value on this. If sakto ba ang atong algorithm. Okay? So, first, input candidate 1. Let's say, for example, I am a user. So, let's put a name for candidate 1. So, let's say, Jessa. And then for candidate 2 is Jane. Then candidate number 3 is Bernard. Oh yeah, Bernard. So many Bernard. Okay, next. Input candidate 1 audience impact. So, ang yung audience impact is, let's say, 30. Then, yung talent is 25. Then, yung Q&A is 15. Then, for candidate number 2 is 25, 30, 20. And then, for candidate number 3, 25, 30, and 10. Okay. So now, atong i-compute og asay mas dako or overall nila nga score. So equals, so 30 plus 25 plus 15 is 70. Okay, that's an overall score for candidate 1. So for candidate number 3, so equals 25 plus 30 plus 20. Then the answer is 75. Okay, next is for candidate number 3, so 25 plus 30 plus 10. Okay, so the overall score of candidate 1 is 70, for candidate 2 is 75, and candidate 3 is 65. Okay, now, ato i-compare og asay pinakagamay. So, is 70 is lesser than 75, true or false? So, it is true. Mas gamay si 70. And 70 is lesser than 65. So, the answer is false. So, true and false is true. False. Okay, sorry. It is a false. So, next is candidate 2 which is 75 is lesser than 70. So, the answer is false. So, even this is a true, false lagi hapon. So, false and true is false. So, ari na ako proceed na lang ko ni step 19. Okay? So, step 19. C3 which is 65 is lesser than C1 overall which is 70. So, true or false? 65 is lesser than 70. So, true. Okay? Next, is C3 which is 65 is lesser than C2 which is 75. So, the answer is true. Okay? So, true and true is true. So, then, winner is equal to candidate 3. So, unsay candidate 3? Atong candidate 3 is si Bernard. So, Bernard. So, then, print winner. So, kinsa atong winner? Si Bernard. So, mo na siya solution sa algorithm. Okay? Did you get it? So, yun no? Mas taas lang ang input. Pero ang iyang logic, ang iya diring analyzation, gamay ra kaayo. Mubo ra o sayon ra kayo pagsabot. Okay? So, after this video, so naatay quiz today. Okay? Remember ha? We have a quiz today. Then, maybe 2 hours ang duration. Okay? So, I will send the problem quiz on your Google Classroom. So, keep posted lang sa atong group messenger. Okay? Okay. Thank you and God bless.